big family add order, or you can just call it as picture addition. Children, this is the last concept for adding your number 1 to 99. This basic 4 steps are needed. You need to learn this basic 4 steps for adding number 1 to 99. So today we are going to see the last concept on the addition as well as subtraction. So it is a big family. Now one small hint children, big family is used when our big boss and small boss is busy, then we'll take the help of big family. If you see the sums and how we are moving the beads is basically we are taking one step of big boss and one step of small boss. Big family add order. Okay, let's start with the picture addition. You can say picture addition. I have said you in the introduction also, picture addition is basically related with the number 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I have just told you when we are going to use the picture addition. When the big boss is not ready to help, we take the last help, that is of big family, which is also called as picture addition. Children, let's start with the sums. Please pay attention how I am going to move the beads in one stroke. Now see children, picture of 6 first we are going to learn. Now this is 2. So I have added 2 with the thumbs up finger. Now it is 5. So 5 also we are going to add with the snake finger. Now the number like 6. Now for 6 we cannot add directly. The next is we have to go to big boss. Now see, for big boss also we have to use add your boss 10 less your friend 4. So you can see even big boss is not there for helping. In this case children, we are going to take help of big boss as well as small boss. Now just see. Picture of 6 goes up with 10 and 5. The movement is very important children. So picture of 6. So what is going to happen 6? I am going to hold 5 and I am going to hold one new bead from down. You can see here. The new bead which I have holded is now going to become picture of 6. We will say picture of 6 goes up with 10 and 5. It is add. So the beads are moving upwards. So you can see we have got the answer 13. Once again I am going to just break up and show you how actually we did. Now once again children, it's 2. Now again it is 5. Now actually for picture of 6 how we have done, we have taken 10 from here. And now how we are going to do, 6 friend is 4. So how in small boss we will help, by the help of small boss we will less here 4, less your boss 5, add your friend 1. Actually we have done that same step by holding it in one process. So our answer is 13. I said you we are going to take help of big boss as well as small boss. 13. Now just say again one more sums. 2, 6, 26 children. Now again 6. I have showed you now how is picture of 6. We will hold the 5 and 1, that is new beads. 5 plus 1 is going to happen 6. And now picture of 6 goes up with 10 and 5. The beads will go up. And now the next number is 8. For 8 we can use big boss. So add your boss 10 and less your friend 2. So our answer is how much children? 4040. Let's do it now. 4040. I hope so you are getting it. This one sums you are going to try here. For the tens rod also it is the same as we are doing in the ones rod. Now we'll go for picture of 7 children. Now what is picture of 7? Same way. We will pull 7 here by pinch, that is we have done. The next 7 is again picture because big boss is not there for helping. Now what should be 7? 5 from up and we are going to hold new 2 from down. 5, 6, 7, isn't it? Now what we'll say? Picture of 7 goes up with 10 and 5. Upward movement. And less 3 is as common. It is 1, 1, 11. Okay, 1, 1, 11 it is. Now children, I am going to show you this sums with the double digit. This you will be practicing. Let's check it out. It's 5. Okay. Now it is 50. That is also we have done. Now 67. I am taking the sums basically to show you how we will do picture addition in the tens rod. So children, the things what we did in the ones rod will remain same in the tens rod. Now how is 60? We will hold 50 and 10 will take new from down. Now picture of 60 goes up with 150. And now 7. For the 7 we have done 5 from up, 2 from down, new we are holding, and we'll say picture of 7 goes up with 10 and 5. So now our answer is 122. So you can do the sums by yourself. If you have doubt, you can put the number in the comment box. Now children, picture of 8. Let's get focused with picture of 8. I hope so by doing picture of 6 and 7 you all are clear. Now we'll see picture of 8. Now children, we are going to add 8. How we will add 8 is a pinch. So 8 you can see I have done a pinch. Now again 8. First I'll check with the big boss. Yes, we can do with the big boss. Add your boss 10 and less your friend 2. Now again the number is 8. In this case, the big boss is not ready to help us because we need to do add your boss 10 less your friend 2 and 2 is not there. So the last option is picture of 8. So how should be picture of 8 over here? We will take 5 and that is 3 new beads. That is going to become 8. Now picture of 8 goes up with 10 and 5. You will push the beads upward. Now our answer is how much children? 2, 4, 24. Now we'll go with the next sums. 1, 5, 15. We have done that. 8. It is a picture of 8. We can see here. So 5 and I'll hold 3 from down. Can you see this? This is the most important step for picture of 8. And children 10 because picture of 8 goes up with 10 and 5. And now it is 7. For 7 what we will do? Add your boss 10 and 7's friend is 3. Less your friend 3. So our answer is 3030. Now this sums you will be trying with yourself on your and you will just see how it is easy to do. Now just see the next one. Now picture of 9. It's 7 and 9. First we will check it with big boss. Yes, it is possible to do with big boss. Add your boss 10 less your friend 1. 9's friend was 1. Now again it is 9. Oh, here again it is possible to use the big boss. So add your boss 10 and less your friend 1. So our answer was how much children? 2, 5, 25. Now let's see the next number now. It's 1, 5, 15. Now 9. So children, picture of 9 is possible by taking 5 from up and 4 from down. This make actually a picture of 9. So picture of 9 goes up with 10 and 5 upward movement. And now 6. So 6 friend we can do with the help of big boss. Who is 6th friend? 4. So add your boss 10 and less your friend 4. So what's our answer? Again it is 3030. So children, now you will be doing this 4 sums picture of 6, 7, 8 and 9. Remember picture of 6, 7, 8 and 9 goes up with 10 and 5. You have to just keep this in mind. Thank you. So children, if you have liked today's video, please don't forget to like and press the subscribe button. One more thing, we have given few examples for you to solve on your own. If you have doubt with solving the sums, you can just put the numbers in the comment box. Thank you.